Next up, story by Hidria AET, Tomaž Mrak.
Did you ever ask yourself what is needed to quickly start up your vehicle in a cold winter mornings? Probably not. But believe me, this is a very difficult task for your engine. Imagine there is a cold morning, freezing outside. You just woke up and you are in a hurry as always. You sit in the car and your car would not start. I suppose you are really angry, at least. We, as experts on the field of diesel engine cold start, found a solution to this problem. Hidria glow plugs are designed to generate enough temperature to support diesel engine cold start very immediately, also in a severe or even extreme cold conditions. We constantly keep improving our product to create more value by thinking out of the box. Another step is communication with customers. They are the ones which indicate which characteristics should be improved. In parallel, we involved also other partners and used the knowledge of our mutual task groups. And when you combine great minds, great ideas are come. And here it is, our newest innovation, Hidria Next Generation Metallic Glow Plug. Design changes includes new advanced materials and entirely new technology for final product assembly. And by implementing this technology and design improvements, we managed to improve our performance and reliability. At the end of the day, you, as a final customer, will benefit. So no worries in the cold mornings anymore. And less environmental pollution due to greener exhaust. So be careful on this innovation. It is really hot. It generates more than 1,000 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
The rest of the team, or no team, this time there's no team. So you're going to get everything on stage. Thank you very much.